Alrighty, we're in the Green Swamp, and this is this house back here that someone was murdered at. I've always wanted to see it. I've always wanted to see this place. I know Tim and Wynette talk about this.
You know something's wrong with it.
It ain't working?
Look at all these peanuts.
What?
There's a bunch of peanuts over here.
Oh, geez.
A bunch of peanuts.
Yeah.
There's 3.
3? So you see it was murder, right?
2. 2 were murdered? Nothing else. There's 3. Maybe 3 of us?
3? 3 of us. There's 3 killed in here, you know.
Yeah. I didn't know the story until Tim and Wynette told me about it. I didn't even know.
Yes. Glass.
Or a bottle and a handkerchief?
All of a sudden, my stupid thing.
I might have something to leave too. We can leave something.
Wow. We're so sorry it happened. We really are. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It's not focusing.
Wow.
It doesn't do anything.
Check out where you can tell where the floor was.
Yeah.
Yeah, the beams.
Alright, I don't want to do it that way. Automatic focus. I guess I didn't want to have to do it that way. I'm going to have to.
Yep. Interesting.
You know what happened? Somewhere on the way, it changed.
Oh, wow.
And I didn't do it, and it's the button you gotta push.
Wow, they burned right up to it, didn't they? Do we have anything going? What do you got going? You can communicate?
Yeah.
Oh, hey,
Yeah.
I
Perfect.
got my jacket on.
Oh, yeah.
Is that flowers? What is that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Sure enough.
Dang.
Ooh, God. Nice. I'm gonna go take, now that I got it figured out, I'm gonna go take a picture of my. This is so cool. Pam always wanted to come here.
I did. I really did.
I knew I'd get her a house somehow.
Oh, gosh,
I
girl.
wonder if these are the actual bullet holes.
Wow.
Well, how were they killed? Oh, with an axe. Axe.
Axe?
Somebody
Yeah.
came in here and killed. How did it happen?
Her grandson and his friend.
Oh, my
They
God.
did it to them.
What?
Oh, can you
In the
imagine?
1800s?
1918.
Holy crap.
Okay, I gotta get this going. I forgot about this.
Do you got your thing too, Kathy, on your phone that talks?
Yeah.
I'm inside it.
I'm inside it.
Wow.
Inside the house.
We made it here to this house. There was a murder here in 1918, and the murder, they were killed by an axe in this house right here. And this was a house
I'm getting you.
left of the house, and it's just totally amazing. They're killed with an axe, and actually, they're buried here too. So we're gonna walk over to there and show you. So this is their home.
Now, is this their cemetery?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, very good.
How-
That's unbelievable.
Unbelievable. How sad.
But I'm glad they protected this part of it.
Wow, that's unbelievable.
Yeah, so it's a Stewart homestead, Mr. and Mrs. Stewart.
Sean, Sarah.
1860 to May 9th, 1918.
Wow.
1845 to May 9th. Murdered together in their home by Sally's grandson Joshua and a friend John.
Oh my God. How sad. Wow. Cattle cattle dipping.
Look at that. Look.
Holy crap.
What is that?
I don't know.
You walk over here.
Health hazard. What does the health hazard mean? Cattle dipping or tick fever. I don't even know what that means. Kathy, wait till you see this.
Holy shit, this is from 1929, was it? May 12th.
No way.
1929, written right in the cement.
Health hazard, though. Wonder what that...
Look, here, something's above it, too. What does it say? Olive. Here, what's it say?
Oh, shoot. Olive something.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Look at 8. Here. May 12th. Is that a O-L-I?
So what do you think it did? I don't know what cattle dipping. I don't know what that means.
Wonder if I can enhance that to see what that says.
Straight out. You gotta see this. I mean, this is weird. No, there's all kind of writing and stuff on the cement.
Look at these hatches. That's smoke?
Probably.
Or is that just
I think that's pretty fresh, that fire. I think it's fresh.
Let me just figure out the hell it was.
I know. Oh, it's pretty dirty in there, so I don't think I can clean it any more than that.
Look at her jaw just broke.
Cattle dipping.
We don't know what that means. Do you?
Cattle dipping, fat or tick fever health hazard.
Yeah,
Built in 1929.
And look here. It
but look
happened
at the
in
writing.
What?
But we don't know what it means.
What on earth? Whoa, where's the writing?
Look,
Here.
says
We're
something.
trying to clear it.
1929.
We're trying to see what the top says.
It says that says something, but that says 12. Hold on, that says
May 12th. 1929.
Wonder what they
May
did.
or March, one or the other. 12th, 1929. O-L something.
And then over here.
Yeah, something there. Sometimes it's easier. I wish we had water to get that.
I know.
Oh, I do.
Do you? Just see if you can make it out.
It's
There.
Olives, I think maybe.
Olivia.
Yeah, definitely.
Olivia. O-L-I-V. Oliveria or something.
Yeah, look at it from the side.
Oliver? Is it Oliver?
What's this over? We need some more water over here. See the H? Yeah.
1929.
Unbelievable.
Whatever that says. Something.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, that's the last name.
Olive.
Or O-L-I-V.
Oh my god, you can really see it.
Yeah, you can now.
Kathy, great job.
Yeah. I wonder what it means, though.
Oh, you can really start to see it.
Oh, yeah.
now.
Yeah, but what,
Yeah, almost.
but what does it mean?
picture.
I don't know. I don't know what this is. What
I
is
know.
this? I've never seen such a thing. Oh, is it something you walk through back in the
I don't know. But cattle something? Cattle?
Oh, maybe it was a cattle.
That it put the cattle in? I don't
Give 'em
know.
a bath.
This is wild, huh?
Because if I remember this correctly, cows can't walk downstairs.
Why is she here? Why is he here?
Oh, it said that, didn't it? Why is she here? What the hell?
We're just going to look around.
I don't know what all this is.
I
But I
know.
can tell you what, I'd like to
Huh? Oh, I'm right here in front of you. I don't see any tracks or anything. I see something. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go see what it is. Look at this. No pink bobber. I think it's a bobber. Looks like one. Pretty cool. Bobber. I just want to get in the burn a little bit and see if I can find any kind of bones. No, it's just a little round ball.
Oh, I found a ball,
You did too?
but I think it's a bobber.
But it doesn't look burnt, does it?
I wonder if it's the same thing.
This is what I found. A pink bobber.
Okay, hers is kind of pink. Yours is blue and pink, isn't it?
Let's see what you got.
Nope, she has the same thing.
Are you serious?
Yeah, same thing.
And I found it as you walked in.
I found it when I walked in too.
Really?
Not burned at all.
That's too weird. I just wonder why there's two different ones.
Placed there.
Oh, wow. Maybe they look like bobbers.
I know, but it was on top of the burn. It was cut.
They're the same thing though, aren't they? That's weird.
Not burned.
What does that mean?
I don't know. But I found it up by the, when we came in.
Okay, so you guys found them in two different areas.
No.
That's a little strange.
I think we both found the same one.
I just don't understand in two different areas. Like you guys were nowhere near each other.
Oh, yeah. This is nice. I was gonna think that too, but it goes upstairs.
This one can't.
You guys hear that? No. I thought I heard something else.
Their friend passed away back in
Oh.
2000 something.
Just part of Dave's team that she died of brain cancer, so they
Oh.
put her ashes out here and did a ceremony.
No
One
kidding.
of the guys with us says that he sees her out here.
Oh God.
They said he's seen her. I asked him about that, and he says he kind of gets like flashcards in his mind. He's not seeing her. He gets a
Ah.
flashcard of her mind of her standing there, and he'll get a word in
That's
his head.
sad. That's so sad.
Natural.
No, it was nice seeing Green Swamp today. I haven't been out here in a while.
So are they cowboy camping out there running in the field?
Corey was talking about it, and Brian was talking about it. That's why I'm like, no, I don't want to stay the whole night out there.
Yeah.
So that's why I said I'll walk in with you guys and walk out again. You know, if we have activity, great, we'll stay. If
Yeah.
we don't have activity, we'll come back to tea.
Yeah.
Brian last night had a bobcat walk within feet of him.
No kidding.
He said after the fire died down, that's when
Aw.
the animal life started coming.
Right, right.
And it was right there. And
Oh,
I guess he
that's
was
so
standing.
cool.
He shifted and he took off.
Oh, how
I know.
awesome.
Wow.
So the X I wanted to see is not true X. But I have to see it. Now.
Oh, that is so cool.
Look at this tree.
Oh my God. How nice though. This is beautiful. Wow. I want to take a picture of that tree. My God.
Don't do it justice.
No, it doesn't. It does not.
I've gotten pictures of trees and it's just like you go home and you go like, so what?
It's true.
Huh? It's this tree.
Jesus. That is stunning. Oh my God. Oh my God, what a beautiful
All
tree.
the branches come down to the ground. Look at all these branches come down to the ground.
Oh, it's so pretty.
If I were 10, 15 years younger, I'd be crawling up there.
I hear you. I have to agree with you there.
This is the perfect place to put hammocks up,
Yes, it is.
you know?
Kathy, we'd had our hammocks out here.
Right?
I mean, you could hang it between those branches, between these branches.
Yeah.
Incredible tree.
This would be a cool tree for a tree house, but I wouldn't want to put nails
Oh,
in
can
it.
you imagine?
But right there, there's the first
Then
first
this right
floor
here,
and then a
that
second
is a
floor.
Mhm.
perfect hiding spot for something.
I know, I had to take my coat off.
Yeah, it's nowhere near as big as I'm gonna be hot tonight, but so this is where they dump their ashes.
No, it's at it. Oh, really?
Yeah,
Aw.
where nothing grows.
No kidding.
This is where they put her ashes.
Wow.
Right here.
Hmm.
Grows.